Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs, and today we are going to decalcify a tankless water heater. Let's get started. So we're going to have to disconnect the cold water down here and the hot water up here. But before we do that, let's go outside and turn off the water. And next I'm going to go ahead and turn off the power to the water heater. Here's everything that we're going to need to decalcify the tankless water heater. I've got 3 half-inch braided hoses, got a 12-volt water pump. We've got a 12-volt power station over here to power the water pump. You can use any 12-volt power station. And if you don't have a 12-volt power station, don't worry. I've got another video that can show you how to do this without a power station. I'll have a link to that video down in the description, and also I will link it to the very end of this video. All right, we've got both lines disconnected. I just put a paper towel down there to soak up that water that's dripping. Now let's go ahead and get these water lines connected to the water pump. And there's an arrow here indicating that the water does flow in one direction, so the water is going to come in from here, from the bucket. It's going to go out here to the cold side of the water heater. Then it's going to come back out of the hot side of the water heater into the bucket. And then the solution will just continue to flow in a loop in and out of the bucket. We're going to let that run for about 45 minutes. So now we have the solution coming into the water pump and then going out of the water pump to the cold side of the water heater. Then it comes out of the hot side of the water heater into the bucket, and it will just continue to flow in a loop. Now all we have left to do is to turn on the power station and let it run for 45 minutes. Alright, so it's been running for about 45 minutes, and I feel like that solution is a lot darker than it was when we started. CLR dissolves the calcium, so you're not going to see any chunks like you would with a tanked water heater. But yeah, that solution is a lot darker. Let's go ahead and shut down the pump. Actually, I want to push that solution out before I shut down the pump. I'm going to have to fill this bucket up with water too to rinse all the CLR out of it. We can dip the faucet in the solution and dissolve any calcium that's on there. I think I'm going to do this to my shower faucet too. Okay, I've got everything reconnected and I turn the water on again. Let's see how we're doing. Water's heating. I'm going to have to run all the taps. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.